This video reviews two Microsoft Office programs regularly used by North Central College and the Academic Advising Unit. The first is Microsoft Outlook, the college's email platform. The second is Microsoft Teams, the platform by which you will virtually meet with an academic advisor this summer. We would like for you to familiarize yourself with both of these programs, download the apps, and log in prior to your academic advising appointment. The first application that we will discuss in this video is Outlook, the college's email. You can log into Outlook by opening a web browser and typing in login.microsoftonline.com or by Googling Outlook. This will bring you to the Microsoft Office sign-in. Here you will enter your college email, which is your username at noctrl.edu, and then click Next. Microsoft Office will bring you to the North Central College landing page. You can see this by the picture of the North Central College sesquicentennial in the background and the college's name and logo in the top. You will also see your North Central College email and a line to enter your password. Here, you'll enter your permanent password. It's important that you've updated your password at this point following the directions in the Update Password video provided by orientation, as you only have a certain number of grace logins before you're locked out of your account. You'll want to update your password and put your permanent password in the line here and click Sign In. This will bring you to your Outlook inbox. You can use the Settings tool in the top right corner to change the appearance of your Outlook inbox. This includes the options for a reading pane, email preview, colors, design, and more. You'll want to be sure to check your North Central College email daily, as this is the official communication channel for academics, including your faculty members, academic advising, financial aid, residence life, and all other college offices. In addition, from your Outlook inbox, you'll be able to navigate to Microsoft Teams. You'll do this by clicking the 9 dots in the upper left corner, which indicate the Microsoft Office apps. This will populate a menu of apps provided to you by Office 365. Teams is one of those apps, and you can go ahead and click on that link. That will bring you to your Microsoft Teams account. Here, you'll see on the left Activity, a chat feature, Teams, assignments, and then calendars and calls. This summer, we're most interested in the calendar and calls located at the bottom. Once you've signed up for an academic advising appointment, a member of the academic advising staff will send you a meeting request via Microsoft Teams. This meeting request will appear on your calendar in Microsoft Teams, as well as your calendar in Microsoft Office and Outlook as well. Since all three units are synced together, you can see your appointment on any of the Microsoft Office applications. On the day of your appointment, you will want to log into Outlook and navigate to Microsoft Teams, or log straight into Microsoft Teams and click on the calendar feature. You will see a link to your appointment. It is also possible when you log into Microsoft Teams on the day of your appointment, you will be prompted to join the meeting immediately by logging into the app. This is how you will virtually meet with an academic advisor this summer so that you may discuss your courses, majors, academic interests, and any other questions you have related to North Central College. If you have questions about Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams, or setting up your North Central College technology, you'll first want to contact our ITS unit at helpdesk@noctrl.edu. If you have general questions related to this video or orientation, please contact orientation@noctrl.edu.